Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we are looking at a beautiful 8.5 wide by 16 feet long plus V-nose UTV trailer, and this is a limited edition, so it's got extra height in it as well. This is sitting on tandem 3500 axles, spread axles, brakes on both axles, torsion axles with premium wheels. You can see it's finished in a beautiful white with charcoal in the back. We have the moldings, all the powder coat blackout package. As we walk around the front, you'll see it, but more of the black powder coating. It's also a slope nose, which is where the nose slides down the front for going down the road better. It's got a 110 power plug here you plug in, so you have an outlet inside. We'll walk around the side here. You can see it's got a nice window inside, sliding tinted window. We got our man door here. Walk around back. This is our cross vent system, which we'll talk about more inside, but let's open the back up. Of course, it's got all LED lights on it. Pull this ramp door down. Inside, we've got our TPO flooring. Very durable, nice flooring. This is our slide track system on the floor on both sides, with adjustable D-rings right here. So you can put those D-rings wherever you want them. This is the Allen wrench to adjust them. You can see it's got a nice finish, over 7 foot tall inside. This is an egress window, so if you're camping in here, you just pull these, out the window you go if you get locked in or something bad happens. We got an overhead cabinet up above to keep your stuff in. A couple of LED dome lights. This is that power outlet inside. And this is the inside of the cross fence. There's one up high here and one low in the back, which I showed you outside. Air's flowing through this trailer 24/7, all the time. So you always have fresh air in it, which is very nice. You have to worry about rain or anything. It's not coming inside. You walk back outside. Up top, you can see we got the rear spoiler with loading lights. So at night you can load your ATVs up or your side-by-side, whatever you're using this for at night as well. If you have questions about this trailer or any other trailer, reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or call us at 503-666-7300. And thanks for looking and have a wonderful day.